Hi friends, Mike here with Larch up at Empty Mountain, and just kind of show you the progress we've made on the deck today. I finished putting up the joists for the deck today, which I spent a lot more time on than I would have liked, because after I milled them on the sawmill, I stacked them poorly and they really twisted on me. You can actually see some of the gray ones I had to replace because I ended up breaking some of the boards while I was getting the twist out. So anyways, I put some blocking in and really wrestled with them to get them in, but they look really good. I think it's going to work just fine. And now the next step is to start putting on some floorboards. So we'll take a walk to the sawmill and see what we've got going on over there. If you can see, I'm wearing my swimming attire because that's what we use for air conditioning out here, to go down to the river and take a dip. And then we had some dinner, and then we'll go play with the sawmill some. And the idea with these floorboards is I'm trying to maximize as much wood as I can with it, and we'll see if it's a good idea or a bad idea when we're done. But basically, with these boards, I'm basically just stripping the bark off and keeping the taper of the tree. So if we walk over here, we can kind of see I got the first cut done already. If you look under here, all the bottoms of these boards here are already squared off. So I planed it just like I did now, cut one side, and now I planed the other side. So we're just basically taking the bark off and most of the round over, if not all the round over. So all the boards are going to be big trapezoids, and I'm going to put them up there, flip them around so that hopefully they make rectangles and in a sufficient way that it'll make the deck nice. So we'll see. We're going to find out here in the not too distant future, but I figured we'd make this last cut of all these, and then we'll pull a few boards over, set them up, and just get an idea what it looks like. So this side actually cut different than the other side. Maybe it was a bow in the log, but you can see we had clear timber on these and then left bark in the middle here. So I'm going to make another pass and get rid of some more of that bark. give that a shot. Cut off a 1/2 inch more. See what it looks like. All right, I think that's mo better, and I'm gonna call that good enough. Maybe we'll undo this. Oh yeah, here, look down this. It leaves a pretty nice. Pretty nice edge on that. The blade's a little dull, but not too bad. And then that's a 4-inch BTX screw from Big Timber. They make those in Billings, Montana, and they are awesome screws. Let's go see what they look like. little gap in them. We'll run them through the planer too, but look at this. So this was, we'll have a video up online. I think we're going to try to post it tomorrow. So you might actually see that before this one of me falling a dead pondo. And you can see the blue in here is because I guess it's a beetle kill, I think. But I think we're going to run it through the planer so it doesn't give us slivers in our feet. But I think that's going to be really pretty. Pretty exciting. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you later.